What is up, guys? Welcome to Street Brawlers Muscle, the inaugural video. This is my 1972 Mustang, and today we're going to do some TLC to get it going again for summer. I had to take my Holley Sniper EFI off, send it back to Holley because there's a defective ECU. Got it back though, everything went well, so we're going to be putting it back on today, cleaning up some of my butch wiring because it's pretty bad, and also we're going to be measuring some stuff in the diff because I'm getting a new third member for that. So we'll be doing that today as well. And you might see some of the cool muscle cars around the shop because we got some sick stuff in here. So stay tuned, we're gonna get started. By the way, right now where the car is stored is in my buddy Michael's shop. This is Michael.
Hello.
Hello. So he is a professional, he's gonna be helping me along the way. We're gonna get going.
We're gonna dive into this.
We're gonna make cool muscle car sounds soon. Yeah, this car we're about to work on is my 1972 Ford Mustang. It's powered by a 351 Cleveland and it's mated to FMX transmission. Got a 9-inch out back with highway gears, but we're gonna be getting 373 posi soon. As for modifications to the car, the engine's been completely rebuilt about 3 years ago. It's got Australian heads, performer intake, Holley Sniper EFI, which is gonna be going back on today. You'll see a hydraulic roller cam, roller rockers, everything. Want to go bigger cam in the future, but for now this will do. It's bored over, it's got some hyperrotatic pistons, and I think that's it. I'm probably missing some stuff. Pretty sweet setup so far, I think. Great daily. Excited to get it back on the road for summer. But for now, let's get it running. This is what we're starting with. It's already kind of like taken apart, but you get the general idea. We have a shit ton of wires in here that we're gonna get rid of.
Why did you have a whole other relay in there?
Okay.
Get that out of here.
This. Okay, so.
Who did this?
I did this when I was younger. Alright, so, turns out
Turns out
the fuel pump, which I bought a separate RobbMC Surge Tank with a fuel pump in it, okay? Because I didn't want to like route shit into the in-tank, I just wanted the stock stuff. So, since I was dealing with it separate from the Sniper, I wired my own relay because the fuel pump calls for a relay. But I did not realize that this relay, in line with the Sniper harness, is made for the fuel pump. So instead of wiring the fuel pump up by itself, like I did, I could have just wired it to this blue. Which is okay.
It's
gonna be okay. Progress though, progress, right? I can get a little bit embarrassed, but it's progress and that's what matters.
Oh, and don't forget to tell them that this was
No.
the wrong side.
Okay. Alright, so we got the strut brace here. The plan is to mount the relay and the fuse under here and tuck all the wiring. So when it goes back on like this, it's all clean and pretty and we don't have shit all over the engine bay like we do now. Putting some of the Holley Sniper supplied loom on here, making it look real nice. Looks great. Alright guys, we got pretty much all the wiring cleaned up right now. Only thing we gotta do left to plug it in is the O2 sensor. So just gonna jack the car up now, plug that baby in, and we should be good to start. We're gonna do the first startup now. Oh, what the fuck was that? It's a leaf. It's a leaf. Oh, okay. Anyways, we're gonna do the first startup now. I've left some stuff dangling here just because I want to see if it's leaking any fuel or anything. All the vital connections are hooked up. First test. Is there any fuel leaking everywhere? Michael, you can try and prime. Yeah, you're good. So if all goes well here, this will be the first time the Mustang has run since summer. It's been a long time. Hopefully it sounds good. I assume it's gonna be pretty crazy. Cold start. Let's get it.
It tried to start though.
It did. It tried. Safety. The problem we're having right now is the AFRs are not correct. And the reason I sent the Sniper back to Holley at the first place was because it was pegged at 35.6, which meant something was faulty. Sent it back to them, they said it was an ECU problem, so they replaced it, sent it back. Okay, so low key, these are really loose. So I'm gonna turn them up and hopefully we get better readings. Unplug.
Plug in the other one.
Yep, other two going in. What the hell, dog? Just got out from under the car, put the new O2 in. Fingers crossed it works. Otherwise, I have no idea what it could be because it's really simple. Just the sniper, wire goes down, clicks into O2 sensor, O2 screws in. Okay, take 400.
Yo! We got one clamp to tighten.
Yo! That annoyingness aside, whew, like, speechless.
We need a new clamp.
I don't know what to say, dude. I don't know what to say. What do I tell the vlog?
I think we need a new clamp. This fuel clamp.
We need a new clamp. Yo. Pack it up. I'm done for the day. Pack it up. I want to go home. We just cut it there because the return line on my Surge Tank is spraying some gas.
Like you can see that it's
it's so loose. I'm gonna check all the clamps again.
This is fully tightened.
All right, well, we'll go to the store, get new clamps, but hey, it works. It reads air-fuel ratios.
It does read.
That is exciting. That is really, really exciting. We're one step closer to having this thing going. Piece of junk. Defective ass. Yo! Dude, I can't even say anything useful to the vlog because I'm just saying yo. Yo! We still haven't put the strut brace back in, obviously, as you can see, so that wiring there will be covered up. Got some loom for that, and it looks way better. Wiring is so much cleaner, so much more simple. Super happy with how this turned out. These are the enemy casualties for the day. Everything that was in the car that did not need to be there or broke, all ripped out. As you can see, tons of wires to make that thing way cleaner now. So, pretty stoked. Didn't need all this crap. So, W in my books. Plus weight reduction, right? Weight reduction. Clearly, we ran into some hiccups, so we didn't get everything we wanted done today. Still got to figure out the diff. But that will be in another video. I hope you enjoyed the first video of Street Brawler's Muscle. Gonna wrap it up there for the day. Super stoked to see those AFRs. Never been happier. As you can see, the car has made big progress. Went from not running at all and having that O2 problem I was talking about earlier fixed. Looks like it's running. All I gotta do is get a clamp for it, tie up some loose ends, and we'll be good. So in the next video, hopefully you see this thing driving and doing a burnout. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please hit subscribe because there will be a ton more Mustang and muscle car content in the future. That's it for now. Stay tuned, and I'll leave you off with this sick exhaust note.